Hey everybody, Angel Medina here. I wanted to make this video really quick. But first off, I want to say if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you're new here, I would ask you to please consider subscribing to my channel. And what my channel is designed for, to keep you in the know and to give you real-time market information. In fact, in this video, I wanted to make a quick video to let you know that the market right now, the way it is, if you currently already have a loan and you're considering refinancing your existing home loan and you feel that you may not benefit for whatever reason, I want to tell you it is well worth it to take a look. Most people who procrastinate, right now is not the time to be a procrastinator. In fact, I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I want to say that a lot of my clients who I've reached out to have taken advantage of the market. And although I would love to get a hold of everyone out there and to help as many people as I can, it's just impossible. And that's why I want to make this video, because I hope it reaches out to somebody who is not sure about the market or they're just procrastinating, or they feel they're already in a good position. Even if you're somebody that has gotten turned down, I just helped a client out recently that got turned down for whatever reason. I don't know. I didn't ask. Because it didn't matter, because a lot of the times in my career I've had a lot of people say, Angel, you can't help me. I was already turned down, or I was already given pricing from another lender, and there could be so many reasons as to why they either didn't get approved or their pricing didn't benefit them. If you have a mortgage right now, and if you haven't already looked into seeing if you can lower your current payment and interest rate, then I highly recommend that now is the time. And if you haven't done it, then I want to let you know that it is not too late. It's not always going to be this low. The pricing isn't always going to be this good. And if you're thinking about retiring in the future, then now is the time to act quickly. And you can go and look me up on Google, Yelp, Zillow, and just read some of the testimonials that some of my clients have recently posted. And I always say the same thing. If you decide to write a testimonial, all that I ask is that you speak from the heart, because I want anyone reading that testimonial to really know that it's not just a testimonial that they're writing where they're just saying, yeah, he was great, 5 stars. They're giving you some inside detail as to the experience that they've had and why it is you should really consider working with me. Because a lot of the reasons that you may have spoken to another lender and they just really didn't help you, it could be a number of reasons. If you call a lender that treats you like another number, that just may be it. They were too busy to help you. If you call someone who's not really caring about your future business, or they just want to complete your loan and as easily as possible, that's another factor. If you call someone who's not very experienced, that's another factor. They may have missed someone, because having the experience allows me to do more, allows me to figure out ways to help someone that's going to help them tremendously, to save hundreds if not thousands of dollars throughout the life of their loan. So again, market update. If you have a loan and if you haven't done anything within, I would say, the past 6 months, now would be the time to look again. And if you do figure it, and if you do think that you won't benefit, well, it's not going to hurt you just to take a look. So I highly recommend, with the market being the way it is, that now is a time to act and not be a procrastinator. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're new here, I would ask you to please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope my channel brings value to you and your family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Angel Medina, your lifelong mortgage advisor. Thank you.